Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Today we are going to prepare a pre-Hispanic, delicious and energetic Mexican hot drink. We will make a delicious cocoa drink without milk and with a special ingredient that will give it that unique touch. We will use a little corn dog to thicken this delicious pre-Hispanic atole. We are going to boil 2 liters of water and add right here a cinnamon stick and 180 grams of cocoa or chocolate that can be in powder or in tablets or in bars. To sweeten, I will use 100 grams of the traditional Mexican piloncillo. If you can get it, you can use brown or mascabado sugar or even white sugar. The second most important ingredient after cocoa will be the corn dog. I will use 200 grams and I will blend it with a cup of water. Now I will add it to the boiling chocolate and let it cook for about 10 minutes, stirring the mixture from time to time. This delicious atole champurrado is ready to enjoy. Please subscribe and give me a like. As you can see, English is not my native language, but I'm lovingly translating my Mexican recipes to share them with you. I hope to see you soon in my next video.